late because I took forever. We got nothing. But anyways, good morning. It's just hard in the mornings because again, my old stuff, which I love. But today I did not have time at all. Like I'm gonna have to have Leah come meet me outside because I can't meet her. Or I don't have time to bring it in because I'm legit gonna be late for work. He loves someone else now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm off. I was angry at Venmo all day because mom sent me money and it wasn't letting me do anything with it. So that was like a pain in the butt, but it finally worked. I'm wondering if it just needed my Wi-Fi because I've been trying all day, like no joke, all day. And she's been all angry. I've been all angry, but it worked. So Mommy, that's good. My phone's gonna die, but here we are back at Walmart. This is embarrassing. Have an alfalfa top. Welcome to my life. And yet another storm. Oh, perfect timing.
You got it on camera.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, we got 4th of July stuff. We got... You always look like a demon in the background. Always. We got 4th of July stuff where it's raining like crazy. Oh, that was kind of hard, Shy.
It's a glow stick.
I know, but what if you broke the glow sticks? Seriously. And Shaden. But anyways, I got almost all of Shaden's school supplies, so that's exciting. Right when I start vlogging, I have to cough. Look at that. It is pouring. I made, cinematic mode is on. I made enchilada casserole in literally 10 minutes, meaning cooked the meat, assembled it, everything in 10 minutes, cut an onion. I went like super rush speed mode for some reason. I have no clue why, but we'll see how it tastes. Oh. Here comes thunder. Yes. They're talking about butts, but here's my messy dinner. Oh, look at that. I made the lighting bright. He dumped his plate and got mad at me. Now he's fake crying. I'm staring at it. Say hi. Yeah. Ooh, Fox, give him kisses. That's a beautiful song. You got the owie on your head. On your head. Say love you. Love you. Leah, do not get them muddy.
And do nothing.
Get her, Tika. Don't copy me.
You're copy cat. Get him.
Give him kiss. Oh, you sweet baby. Give him kiss. Oh, good news. Good morning. It's just me and the baby. He was up all night. The kids are up all night, but I mean, because they could be. But the baby was up all night screaming and he hit his head. So I've been freaking out, but he's fine this morning, just still grouchy. But all the kids have sore throats, so. But we did COVID tests and still negative, so maybe it's just a cold. I don't know. The kids are all awake finally. We have to run to Walmart again. And the baby is sick with something, I don't know what, but he is literally miserable.
It's just a cold.
No, he has diarrhea. I don't know what it is, but ugh. We're getting gas. It's so freaking hot right now. It is so hot. Look at all the hair on my shirt. But we did get our stuff. We're not gonna barbecue like we always do because I'm too poor for that. So we're gonna do a hot dog bar. And red, white, and blue s'mores. And I was gonna vlog in Walmart, but how many people were there? millions. It's so busy because 4th of July. Shaden's doing the oil. So we are bone dry. Look at the smoke coming out of there. And let it go in. There you go. See? Good job. Someone's got to teach this kid how to do something with cars. Hey there. Are you going to go swimming? In that little pool?
No.
Yeah, there's a bunch of gnats over there.
Wait, what do I say?
Tree, if you can hear me.
Touch my forehead?
Yep.
Tell me when.
Now.
Tree, if you can hear me, touch my forehead.
Say, touch my forehead, tree. Oh, look, it's starting to move. Don't lean to it. I don't want to hear it, Leah.
Stupid Ed, the tree's not gonna touch you. Yeah, it's not.
Yes, it will. Look, it's moving.
It's cold. Mama.
No, Leah's mad. Shaden already went in.
Oh, my toes bleeding.
Okay, I haven't. Where's your toe bleeding?
I tripped over Shane's big feet.
Oh,
Yeah.
probably because you need to cut your toenails.
Yeah, that's right.
We're gonna go to
My
Walmart.
Cold nails hanging off.
Because we're.
So I'm gonna keep it.
Into Walmart we go, and he's angry.
We would have brought his CR.
He wants his car. Look at that though.
Help.
Shyla stayed home as per usual. Shaden, where were you going? That's all he does.
Because that would be fun.
Thank God we are finally getting rain. So we are for sure getting some fireworks. There's some lightning for you.
One out here so bad.
What was that? Sure. Her cat has been wanting to come outside, and I guess he's attacking her neck.
He didn't like.
Shy keeps trying to get on the trampoline, which is pure metal, but it feels so good. We are just soaking in every ounce, every drop. It looks so bright on camera, but it's dark, like super dark. Look at how bright it looks.
Oh, it still looks like.
Daytime?
Yeah.
Literally. Ow. Super blue over there still. Oh, yes. It's like barely sprinkling, but. Oh, yeah, why are you under? There's our dead tree. I like how it looks like that.
Look, you must have got a jump on your camera.
Oh, sorry. Here we go. Now that's what I was saying I liked. And right there. Why, honey, I'm not getting you. Believe me.
Look at me! Look at me!
Oh, I got a drop on the camera. You can't see me, but I'm gonna leave it on so you guys can hear the most calming sounds ever. That was sheet lightning though.
Yeah, you want the.
Ooh. Oh, that
Did
was
I
a
get
good
that?
one.
That.
It's the baby's first thunderstorm.
It scared him.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool, huh?
It freaked him out.
No, no, going out there because it's right above us now.
What?
It's right above us.
Okay. He like jumped and grabbed my arm.
That was a crackly one. I wish I was recording.
Cool.
Is that cool? That's a storm.
Okay.
It's lightning.
Look at this.
Say
guy.
lightning.
Ready?
Lightning. Oh.
That's gonna be loud.
Okay, it's gonna be loud.
Oh no.
It's gonna do boom. Cool.
It's weird, because it looks like it's, oh no, it's growing. It's not big at all, and the red is gone. Right. But it's growing. Come on. Come sit with me. Look, okay. Not gonna. Well, this is a good storm.
It
Your
is.
time to stop.
Shaden, please don't ruin it, honey. Let's just enjoy the storm. The baby's mad because the boys are fighting, but we got to enjoy a pretty good little storm. Okay. Did he eat any food? Okay.
I want to go somewhere like where it's so muddy, where your shoes get little stuck.
I wish we could ride out to the country.
Mm.
I know you want one of mine.
The kids are having like so much fun playing outside. I gave them glow sticks.
Okay.
There's Shida and the baby.
Hi.
They got their glow sticks.
Some mud now.
They're sliding. You can't see them, but they're sliding in the mud.
Oh my gosh.
Kinda.
Dirtying those clothes.
Yeah. You got your glow sticks. Hey, get it, Lowen. Whoa, you do it. Yeah. Yeah. Here, Shy, go ahead. Oh. Oh, you gave them all to him? Shake it. Shake it. Yay. I'm so excited for 4th of July with him.
I know.
I bet he's going to like it.
Does he really like
Ha! What are you doing? Peekaboo! Oh no! Get him! Get it! Go, Lowen, go! Go, Lowen, go! Oh, okay. Storm's over. We're going to go to bed. They need to take a bath, all of them. Shyla should probably take a fast shower. But good night and thanks for watching. Huh?